Some people have some ailment, they talk more of the ailment always. That it's killing him, they are not the ailment. And you make a group like that, see again, the river consciousness is not easy to develop. Okay? It's not very easy to develop. If you live with the people who are scarcity mentality, you will also become. No, don't believe anybody. You belong to a sort of a penny wise, pound foolish. You start accumulating all pennies, but you end up losing pounds. That's a pattern. Because the pattern is like that. You have been told to save pennies. So the same trait is the river. So why we meet here at Wednesday, and now the new thing has come. On Wednesday, motivational theatre. Why we are doing this is, believe it, the best person, whoever is got benefited is myself. I am not doing it for anybody, I am doing it for myself. To be on the track. The best thing is to be on the track. Anybody can do it. I understand. You also give. You also share. 25 years is a very long time to be with the tough masters like this. They even hit you. So, but when you surrender to the masters, they will teach you what is the mistake. And this is what the space is. It is I don't want to call it a satsanga because it has become old fashioned. Satsanga means the old people should ವಯಸ್ಸಾದವ್ರು ಬರಬೇಕು, 60 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಸರ್ವ ಅವಯವಗಳು ನಿಷ್ಕ್ರಿಯ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. These are all the standard definition of satsanga. No, let us call it as the empowerment program. Self-empowerment. Why you call it satsanga? When you call it as self-empowerment, how to empower yourself is to empower others. So we go to villages, Sara also goes to villages to teach freely meditation in my taluk, that is Madhur. Any payment, sir? Any payment?
No payment. Even I spend money from my purse, then go.
But if you get able to get the satisfaction with the money, please.
Nothing like that. The satisfaction what we get, nothing like that.
So what happens is, I tell youngsters especially, okay, you do your work, 8 hours, 9 hours, whatever it is. There are gaps are there. No? Fill those gaps with empowering things. That is not simple. Even the same internet can give you stress, same internet can give you solace. Why do you want to see the stressful things? Somebody has produced some controversial movie, you see that, discussion around that. Let them do the discussions. You do what you want. You ask for what you want. Okay. Today morning I was with Patriji. This kind of pamphlets already has been replaced by e-flyers. We used to produce 1,000 pamphlets about 10 years back. Now today produce only about 50. Just to give it to people around us. Everywhere on WhatsApp the e-flyers, you must have got it. And I think the books also will be replaced by digital. People will read on their mobiles or read. So you need to. So one thing with river is open mind. You need to change according to times. Okay? But not your basic principles, fundamentals. You see, when the fundamentals are strong, only yuga will take over. That's all. You see, for him is a PSU yuga, for another is somebody it is an industrial yuga, somebody it is a computer, somebody is a real estate, somebody it is call it as digital, it is micro, nano, I don't know, whatever yuga will come. Maybe afterwards your phone or not, just a thought will say, Karthik, Paro, okay, Bande. Maybe a thought level itself, we may reach to a next stage where we communicate by thoughts. Possibly. What is telepathy? It happens every day for me. Okay. I just remember we are into my thing. So maybe you don't know, 50 years down the line, a thought will reach Karthik. Okay, come. Okay, I'm coming. Wait, we'll go to this movie. Yes, no movie. I don't know, no movie theaters will be there. So the definitions are changing, but the fundamentals remains the same. What Buddha had 2600 years back, he didn't had, probably he had a chariot to go on. Today, aircraft, okay? All kinds of transport. Maybe there's no need to travel. You see, the people are working from the home. So the definition has changed. But actually, the people are working from homes are more stressed. Because they have to talk to their old mother, they have to look at their wife all the time. So more problems start because the compatibility, human compatibility. People cry that I should have an outside, I should go home for Sunday. It doesn't work. Why? Because they are not pleased with themselves. So these kind of fundamentals, all these yugas will take us to a wrong direction. Digital is taking us towards more of virtual world rather than a human world. It's good, but if you lose your human instincts, like caring for another person, loving another person, is it virtual? Can it do virtual? It's happening like that. On Facebook, people are becoming activists, but when they ask you, come to door, D.K. Ravi's case, they say, come, we go on a walk for him for about 7-8 kilometers. None of them turned up except it's like that.
They just commented likes that.
Yeah, comments. Just commenting on likes is not actually doing it. Okay, so you need to take the risk out. Okay. Fundamental. Maybe probably that wouldn't have referred to CBI if people have kept quiet. You got it? So when things becomes like that, you need to come to the level, natural streams. You got it? That is courage. So this may be replaced by e-flyers, but the talk is going to happen. The spirit behind the talk is the same. You got it? Nothing has changed in the last 25 years. Okay? Even maybe the mode of expressions have changed. So please always accept change, accept the change of life. You may expect something, it may happen in a different way. Nothing. You have to move from finite to infinite, like finite of a bavi, like a well. It is well defined borders. To infinite, like an ocean. You don't know. You have a depth width in all. In well, you know it is bounded by width depth. Even in a sarovara, it is width depth is all bounded. Even in a river, it is bounded by two sides. Okay. Again, there is a depth, but in the river, in an ocean, it is not. I don't know what the depth. Where is the other bank? It is infinite consciousness. When you merge with that kind of consciousness, your small problem will look simple. That's all. Very chota problem. You don't have to speak so much about that. Got it? So maybe probably as you go on meeting such kind of people, be with that kind of people, no doubt you achieve things, you also will remain happier. That's what ultimately people want. They want to be. I ask so many people, what do you want in life? Money. What actually you want? Fame. What actually you want? I want to be happy. Ultimately they say, I want to be happy. So when that is the case, when you are struggling, be happy. When you achieve, be happy. When you lose, be happy. When you make, be happy. You expect this should be the case. So most of the counseling cases get knocked off by acceptance. Ask him. I don't do much counseling personally because I don't have time. So most of the time they give this kind of accept it. Relationship, mother-in-law, cricket, violent. Nothing actually is in your mind. You are not understanding. The physical problem, the relationship problem comes where? It's the mind. So maybe you need to develop more empathy, sympathy, love, care, kindness. For who? People around you. I was talking to somebody in the morning. Take care of your family first. Take care of your organization first. Okay? If you can't take care of that, what is the use of doing this? Yeah, no question.
When you develop sympathy, kindness, everything around the people, yes, they are happy. What when somebody has an advantage of it, how do you stop that?
Yeah. You can be assertive. Okay. What is assertiveness is? It's a sort of a defensive mechanism. Stop. My limit is over. Okay? I am not talking about a doormat attitude. Sorry? Okay? You don't have to be a doormat. You don't have to be get used by others. Okay? At the same time, you don't have to be a bulldozer also. Got it? A lot of people have the traits of a bulldozer. They bulldoze people. Don't allow that. You can take another bulldozer in front of them. Just show the bulldozer, then stop. They'll stop. She also has a bulldozer. Better I don't go. Okay. It's not the snake you what do you call it? It makes us. You need to be careful. So, very true, very good question, especially for people who are more kind and loving. They will be taken for a ride, and ultimately their value will be known when maybe 1 week they are not there. They will realize. Okay, the people who are doing that bulldozing, it's a pattern again. You allow it to happen. Otherwise, tell them, not possible. I have my identity. I have my limits. Okay, stop it. In counseling, we call it as even third-party intervention. You can tell it in front of someone who is more responsible. If they don't stop, this will work. Okay, this is the limit. You don't cross the Lakshman Rekha. Okay? This Lakshman Rekha, you are going to get it back. You can even give back. Okay?
What if they're
Like
manipulating?
this. Huh?
What if they're manipulating?
Be specific.
Huh?
How?
No, any
They tell a
person,
lie.
any person.
Tell a lie.
Like they might be nice in front of you, or they just manipulate you. So you get stuck.
See,
You
in
tell
that,
yes or no.
I also tell one this thing. Whenever that I is there in the mind of a funny person, he never accepts anything from anybody. And that egoness will be there. When that egoness is there, he cannot accept anything. Right?
Doesn't matter even if I say stop.
Even the people who are kind enough for him also, he doesn't care for them. Sometimes I have seen some people.
You answer. 1 minute.
Whatever doing it, I will be
I will not stop with that. Only one thing I will tell you. For your specific question, there is a workshop here only tomorrow, evening 5 o'clock, 1 to 1.5 hours. Please attend. See, there are two parties, A and B. It's a game. He is trying to influence you and you are trying to influence others. Understand? Then you should be strong. Then how to be strong? I will tell you, in my 73 years of experience, I was almost in the top level of the management. And what I found out after 73 years is you should change. How? You should be able to subdue the other party. Not that I am telling you should become, as you told, doormat. No. You should be able to subdue the other party by your becoming strong. So tomorrow evening I will teach you how to become strong mentally, and your self will affect the other person. And automatically there will be, whatever he will win.
Exactly what he said is, sir.
See, this is going on, sir, one second. This is going on in every house, and any two persons are there, it is going on. So you become strong, that's all. So tomorrow, 5 o'clock, you attend that.
Okay,
Sure.
okay. It was a different program.